Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list in LibreOffice Calc. For example, you have some values and you want to use it in a repetitive way. So to do this, select any cell, then choose Data menu and select Validity option. In the open dialog box in field Allow, select a list option. Then, in Entries field, enter a disable values. Let it be yes and no. Press OK button. Now we are able to select the two options in our cell. Also, we can copy the option list to other cell. If you want to remove a drop-down list, just press the right button and from the context menu select Data Validation and change list to all values. Now let's consider a more complicated example when we are using values from a separated list. Let it be a list of fruits. Again, select a cell, choose a Data menu and select a Validity option. But this time, select not list, but cell range. Select a source range. Now you are able to select our predefined values. Hope the video was helpful for you. If so, please let me know in comments. Thanks.